Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a few things that you might be interested to know when you move on to Windows 11 24H2. So if you do go on via the insider rings, there's a few things that are going to go away if you still had some of them in your PC. So starting with 24H2, the build that we've had on the release preview, one of the first things that you'll see is gone is Cortana. So if you still had some form of Cortana on your PC, you'll see that Cortana is no longer there. It's not showing up in apps anywhere. So that's one of the things that's gone. The other one is the tips. There was a tips kind of page where you could have all sorts of little tidbits on using Windows 11. That's also gone. And finally, the WordPad. We had talked about how Microsoft wanted to remove this. Well, it's removed officially on 24H2, so WordPad is now gone. I do find that WordPad was such a small footprint and, kind of cute little word processor, simple word processor. I still don't understand why they took the time to remove this. I know some people were using it. Of course, they're going to try to have it replaced because they're putting new features in Notepad, but still, it wasn't doing any harm, and it was all right there. I don't understand why there is such a hurry to remove it and to make sure it's not there anymore. Maybe they just don't want to take the risk in case some security flaw would go in it. But anyways, you have Notepad to replace it now. So these are a few of the things that after being deprecated are completely gone on Windows 11 24H2. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.